Hey guys, what's going on today? I have brought a new and easy tutorial of my Spiderman fabric mask with moving eyes. Yes, you hear the right, so let's start. It is very simple to make, and the best part, it moves its lenses. So are you excited? Here's the tutorial. I will also show you how to stitch. First, I took a template from Brian Al's 8 and print in 110% scale, and now time. It's done. Now take a red cloth and trace the template on it. Now cut according to the line. I have also left some areas which will help me while stitching. Now I have put a light source under a glass and put the template under the cloth, and the lines are clearly visible. Now I will print the lines on the cloth by a marker. You can also use puffy paint to give the lines a 3D look. Now the stitching part, flip them. Flip the mask like this and start sewing. Take a needle with thread with inside a knot and put it on the mask and do like me. Cut the remaining thread. Add a zipper at the back of the mask and sew the zipper exactly the same as I sewed the mask. Now the moving lenses part, cut out the image of lenses and copy it on the cardboard. Make the shutters of the lens using transparent sheet marker. Now color the lenses black. Take a toothpick and place between the shutters and the piece. Take a thread and stick to the down shutter and attach a pipe and move the thread toward up shutter and mechanism is working great. Create a design on the lens. Take a net like or a cloth or paper so that you can see through it and stick it on the back of the lens. Add the stoppers. Now color the lenses black. Make one more for the right eye. Stick both lenses on the mask. Hope you liked the video, then please hit the like button, share and comment if you are new, then please subscribe for more amazing Marvel news.